We've just learnt that the phrase pour moi literally means for me, but if you place it at the start of a sentence in French, then you can use it as a way of giving your opinion. So you can translate it as in my opinion, or I think. So how would you say in French, I think it's very good? Pour moi, c'est très bon. Pour moi, c'est très bon. So literally that means, for me, it's very good. Pour moi, c'est très bon. How would you say, I think it's delicious? Pour moi, c'est délicieux. Pour moi, c'est délicieux. So literally, it means, for me, it's delicious. But this is a way of giving your opinion. Pour moi, c'est délicieux. I think it's delicious. How would you say, I think it's absolutely extraordinary here? Pour moi, c'est absolument extraordinaire ici. Pour moi, c'est absolument extraordinaire ici. I think it's fantastic here. Pour moi, c'est fantastique ici. Pour moi, c'est fantastique ici. So in this lesson we've had délicieux, which means delicious. Extraordinaire means extraordinary. Beau means beautiful. Pour moi means for me, but if you place pour moi at the start of a sentence in French, then you can use it as a way to give your opinion. So it can mean in my opinion, or I think, pour moi. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.